Hello everyone, Morgan here. I'm going to show you how incredibly easy it is to set up and use the Coleman stove. This is such a popular stove for camping, but it's also really popular for emergencies and disasters. We once used this for 2 months straight, just this, as our only source for a stove when we first came to Alaska. We didn't have any stove, oven, nothing. This was all we used and we loved it. It can be used safely indoors with a cracked window and also outdoors. So as you saw, I'm setting this up. Right now I'm going to be setting up the propane. There's a little hole in the side in which this spins into basically, and then you will be getting the propane here in a second. It took me a second. I had to get eyes on it. So I was like, which way does this turn? And I was looking at it all backwards. Okay, so now you're going to go ahead and once that is screwed in, get the propane attached to it. As you can see, beautiful propane. Yes, get these at Walmart or any sporting goods store. Stock up on them, $2 or $10 for a 2-pack. All right, screw that in, and then you're going to go ahead and turn on the propane and use a lighter to get it going. Boom! We've had this thing for years, and it still works just as good as it did day one. I've never had any issues with it. So we're going to go ahead and just boil some water so I can make some tea. But you could put cast iron on here. Cast iron may be kind of heavy for it, but you can do it. They also make an oven for it, which we have and have used. I put a link down below to the video for that, but I'll also show you a picture here if I can. Total time from startup to finish getting my tea was about 10 minutes. That is how easy and quick this is and how I think that everybody should have one of these. You should go get one. Link in the description or go to your local sporting goods store. Be sure to check out the other 30 days of survival videos in this series. I'll conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Bye-bye. Bye.